Hi my friends, welcome to another interesting video today. So today I made bread with an interesting recipe. So this bread was made without any flour. I didn't use multi-purpose flour, neither did I use any form of wheat flour. Now sit tight and I'll advise you to watch this video from start to finish. Pay attention to the voiceover and the writings on the screen. Then you will get all the recipe, the details of the recipe, when and how, and the quantity that was added. Now, if you're interested, I would advise you to keep watching. Now, this bread is a protein bread. Like if you are a Weight Watcher or a good healthy eating enthusiast like me, this is the kind of bread you want to go for. Or if you have blood sugar, type 2 diabetes based on bad eating habits, this is the bread you should be going for. Now, let me show you how I made this bread. Now, I added egg and I added some cottage cheese. But before today, I had already soaked 2 cups of lentils. Yes, you heard me right. 2 cups of lentils overnight. Now, these are the ingredients that I'm adding. Why did I add these ones first, the liquidy ones? That is so that it can allow my blender to roll very well, because we are not adding water to this, okay? We're not adding any water. Now, pay attention. So that is why I'm adding the liquid ingredients first. Now, this is salt that I'm adding, just a teaspoon. And yes, I am not adding my lentils. Like I said before, 2 cups of overnight soaked lentils. Now, this way it will allow the blender to roll from the bottom and then actually blend the lentils beans properly. You all know that lentils has a lot of proteins and fiber, and this is the kind of bread you should be going for if you want to keep those weights under watch. You don't want extra inches at your waist region, or you don't want extra pounds and kilos in your body. So I took it, I blended it, and now I'm adding into my bowl. You see the velvety smooth blending results and outcome that we are working with. Remember, I did not add water. All the egg, the oil, and the cottage cheese actually, took care of the liquid, okay? So I added raisins here. Now, this is optional, so you can add some nuts here. You can, garnish with whatever you want, okay? And then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now, this is very important that you will be adding this baking soda in your mixing bowl, not blending. Remember, you are not blending the baking soda, but make sure you mix it properly, because you don't want to bite into unmixed baking soda. So you mix. Now, if you're happy with the mixture, now the next thing we're going to do now is to get our baking pan, line it with your baking parchment sheet, just like I have done. And the reason is because so that when your dough is cooked, when your bread is all done, then you just lift it up easily without any stress. Now, so this is filled up. I made 2 loaves of bread from this, so I'll be putting the remaining in another loaf pan, and I did this behind the camera. So we'll be working with this dough pan that we are seeing here, and what I just garnished with some sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are also good, very rich in fiber and other vital nutrients that the body needs. Okay, so before now, I had already preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and 350 degree Fahrenheit, and I baked for 45 minutes, and this is what we have. So here it came out from the oven freshly, so I allowed it to cool down for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can reveal your lentils bread. Look at that. You see, healthy living is not expensive. All you need to do is to choose the right food to eat, the right quantity, and you intentionally select your ingredients, your recipe, and when cooking your food. So this is me slicing my lentil bread. Look at that. If I told you I never used any flour to make this bread, you will probably doubt me. But now you see it, you can equally make the same bread from the comfort of your kitchen. Now, if you have not subscribed and you are enjoying this recipe, click that red button that shows subscribe. Bell signs will show. Choose the option that shows all. That way you get all my notifications anytime I post a video. You see how fluffy and how airy, how juicy, and how beautiful my lentil bread came out. You can also do it. And that's me spreading it with some butter. And yum, this will serve as your afternoon snack or your morning breakfast with a cup of tea. And watch me as I enjoy my lentil bread, protein bread, no carbohydrates, no guilt. I can go ahead and have this as many slices as I want for the day. But remember, portion control is also very important. So be intentional with your eating, with what you eat, how you choose your food, what are the ingredients. Weight watching and healthy lifestyle starts from what you eat, okay? And I will see you in another video. So stay well, eat well, stay healthy, because we love you from this channel. And I want you to comment, like, and do all the nice, beautiful stuff in this video and share. Bye-bye.